After we complete run second order buckling analysis, I want to fit the buckling on the raster. Click on the beam, Control select, right click, copy, and select it, copy, yes, front view, Control, select, and change the section. Yeah, 200. And at the page, I also change the section to 200. Okay, the same. Come back, run the second order buckling analysis. Click on OK. And check for the first mode. Okay. Now no buckling occur on the raster. For the mode 2, again, mode 3 is not critical on our structure. Yeah. Mode 4, mode 7. Continue to check in the design to make sure everything is working fine with our concept. Okay, so we had to switch. Yes, you can click on the beam again and click on the auto design option. The software will be run and update the section to part requirement automatically. Don't worry. Just use the option. Okay, click design or static. Yes, we complete our analysis and design. Everything is working fine right now. We pass the requirement in serviceability and ultimate strength. We can continue to other part. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.